I wanna smell nice, I wanna look clean, I wanna be fresh, but I don't know good products I can use. Hawu mzala, khululeka, sinobuntu distributors ekhayeni, uyayithola insipho, ama-perfume, ama-body lotion, nje konke okudingayo. Are they affordable? Khululeka ngemali, zonke ziyakwazi ukufikeleleka mzala. Ungaze ukhale kangaka rich cousin, wena wonke. I'm just kidding bro. Hey, asambe ke uyosupport. Let's go.
Bigger.
I just need ubuntu ntwana yami. Ugeze ngibe clean, I'm out. Dripping hamba nabaphansi. Ngithi fange ebhaka ngibe mnandi. I just need a charcoal for my skin. Yeah, it's cracking, it's losing our thing. Started using new color baning. Want a price, I ain't done it cheap. For only 28 to be clean. Where can I get it? Well, you can get it at Revelation or at Elof. Nuga kamnandi, I'm dripping ngiyaconsa. My love for these products luningi galo. Maningi bayafuna ngiyakutshela for sure. Shange stick, khuphuka i-order, ngithi fa.